Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of stomach for histology, practical and slide. There are 6 identification points of stomach. Number 1, rugae are visible. Number 2, gastric pit is prominent along the epithelium. Third is long tubular glands in mucosa. And the fourth identification point is dispersed smooth muscle in muscularis externa. And fifth, shallow gastric pits. And sixth is gastric glands containing chief cells and parietal cells. These are the 6 identification points of stomach for histology, practical and slide. I already upload slide detailed explanation video of stomach on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. Now I will upload this identification point video also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, slide detail explanation video and identification point video. If you like my videos, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing red subscribe button and also press bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.